let me share with you a study. There was a study done of medical doctors, and they were asked to view a body of medical literature or data and come to a diagnosis, and they were timed. There was no time limit, they were simply timed. So of these three groups, the first group was the control group. They were simply asked to read the information in front of them. The second group was just simply given some medical documentation that was unrelated to read before the information pertaining to the study. And the third group was primed to be positive. And I'm going to tell you how they were primed to be positive in a second. But guess what the results were? The group that was primed to be positive came to a diagnosis 20% of the way through the material presented and twice as fast as the control group. How were they primed to be positive? With candy. Not the actual eating of candy that would alter their blood sugar and alter the results, but the promise of candy. Positive brains just simply work better, and it is all over the behavioral literature.